Hello everyone. So in this video again we'll be continuing off our discussion with the previous year aptitude section papers of various recruitment drives. So with various recruitment drives, what we mean by is various recruitment drives for recruitment across multiple tech giant companies or various service based companies. So tech giant as in like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, EBM, so PayPal, something like those. All the aptitude section question pertaining to those examinations, and also different service-based, IT-based companies, and also various core companies, be it your for mechanical, for electrical, or civil, for that matter. So what they do is that we basically conduct a aptitude test pertaining to their recruitment process in general, be it for your on-campus or off-campus recruitment, wherein we see variety of these questions. So in this video, what we're going to do is we'll discuss a few of these questions so that give you a general idea of what you can expect in the aptitude section of these papers and how to deal with each and every question pertaining to this kind. So with that said, let's take a look at the first question. Rice worth 126 kilo per kg and 134 kilo per kg are mixed in the variety in the ratio 1:1:2. Okay. If the mixture is worth 177 per kg, price of the third variety of the rice will be okay. So let's say this is variety A, this is variety B, this is variety C. Okay, so now quantity of A, price of A, quantity of B, price of B, quantity of C, and price of C. Okay, so let quantity of A being 1 kg, price being 126 rupees, 126 per kg. Okay, let quantity of B be 1 kg, price is again 1 rupees, 134 per kg. Okay, and quantity of C, let that be QC. Oh no, quantity is given, right? So 2 kg is given. Quantity of C being 2 kg, price being PC per kg. So total price here being for 2 kg will be 2 PC rupees, 2 PC for 2 kg, that is. Now when we combined all this, A plus B plus C, so let this be the combined mixture. Okay, so quantity of combined and price of combined. So total quantity being 1 plus 1 plus 2, that is 4 kg, and mixture is what? Rupees 177 per kg. Okay, so therefore total price will be 177 into my bad, 177 into 4, that is being 7 was 8, we have 2, 7 was 8, 20, 7 is 7, 30, 7 rupees 708. So this now, if we are looking to find the variety of the third kg, so this one PQC, so it will we can simply do this by adding these values. Okay, that will be equal to this particular value. So that is 126 plus 134 plus 2 PC will be equal to 708. So therefore 2 PC will be equal to 448. So therefore PC will be equal to 224. So therefore price of third variety will simply be 224 per kg. So I hope this is clear. This was a simple question of using the ratio of the same and determining the quantity and then finding out the solution as well. It is a pretty easy question also. So let's move to the next question. Yeah, so let's take a look. Average cost of different mobile phone is 32 different mobile phone is 9,000. Okay, among them Samsung is the costliest, which is the costly, it is 70% higher price than the cheapest mobile phone Vivo. Okay, Samsung is 70% higher. Excluding both these mobile phones, the average of the phone is 8800. Then what is the cost of Samsung mobile phone? So let's write the initial condition. Say sum of 32 will be, well, if we talk about the total number 32, the average of the same is 9,000. Okay, so therefore sum of 32 will simply be 9 2 18, 27, 28. Okay. So 18, 28, 0, 0. Okay, so this is sum of 32. Now if we exclude sum of 32, okay, so sum of 30 now given, excluding both these mobiles, we can find out the average of 30 phones given 8880. So if we find the sum of 30, which will simply be 8880 into 30, so what we'll have is 266,400. Okay, it will be one more zero here. There are three zeros, right? So now we know sum of 32 minus Vivo. Let the price of Vivo be, what we know, price of Vivo be X, and price of Samsung is 70% higher than X, minus 1.7x equal to sum of 30. So therefore minus 2.7x will be equal to 266,400 minus 28800. So therefore x will be simply 28800 minus 266,400 divided by 2. 8,000. Okay. So x will simply be x equal to 8,000. So therefore this is price of Vivo. So therefore 1.7x, if we talk about that, which will be the price of Samsung, will be 56,325,136,000, which is the price of Samsung. I hope it's clear how we came about with the solution of the same. Now let's move to the third question. Okay, so here's the third question. The difference between 4 by 17th and 17 by 19th. Difference of 4 by 17th of 17 by 19th of a number and 3 by 38 of the same number is 17.5. So find the number. So let the number equal to x. So we can actually write this as 4 by 17th of 17th by 19th of a number, say the number x, and 3 by 38 of number is equal to 17.5. So if we take the LCM of the same, see we have LCM as 38, so this will be, no, LCM will not be 38, so my bad. So 17. This will be 34 plus 34, 68 by 17, 19 here, that is 340 minus 17, so 323 x minus 3 by 38x. This can be written as 175 by 10. Okay, this can be written as 175 by 10. So if we talk about the LCM of the same, so what we can have is 38. Sorry, my bad. Okay guys, we could have actually simplified the same here, 17 over there. Sorry, my bad. Let's try and solve this. We have simply made this even more cumbersome. So my bad there. 17 can simply get cancelled out. So this will be 4 by 19x minus 3 by 38x equal to 175 by 10. So if we take the LCM of the same, this will be simply 38, 9 to 38, so 8x minus 3x equal to 175 by 10. Further written as 5x by 38 equal to 175 by 10. 5 3 is a 15, 5 5 is a 25, 7, 2. So will be 19. So therefore x will simply be 19 into 7 just 63 is 6 remaining, 7 is 7 plus 30. X will be 133, which is our answer. Yeah, it could have simply be cancelled. It suddenly slipped my eyes as far as I couldn't really see consider that. So with that said, we've come to the end of the video. So we've discussed 3 important questions over here. Kindly go through all of this so that you can get a clear idea on the concepts behind the same as well. So with try and take as much time as possible for you to understand the concept behind the questions, and also try to solve all these questions on your own, so that with this video as a reference, so that you can get a clear idea behind the process and the concepts on which we have used towards solving all these questions in general. So with that said, hopefully all the things are clear to you, and I'm signing out. Thank you so much.